Hello and welcome back to our learning series. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a return authorization in NetSuite using our innovative SuiteMatrix IT solution. A return authorization is a crucial process for businesses that handle customer returns. It allows customers to return purchased items for a refund, replacement, or repair. With SuiteMatrix IT solution, creating a return authorization in NetSuite is simple and efficient. By collaborating with SuiteMatrix IT Solutions, you can automate the return authorization process, establish approval workflows, and generate reports to track return patterns. This will save time and ensure a seamless experience for our customers. By utilizing the power of NetSuite, we can streamline the returns process, reduce errors, and improve customer satisfaction. Elevate your business with efficient return management. In this video, we are going to guide you through the return authorization process step by step. Let's get started. Navigate to Build Sales Order. Click on Authorize Return. This action will redirect you to the return authorization page. Ensure the items listed match those in the sales order. Click on Save. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the transaction has been successfully saved. Click on Approve Return. This changes the status of the return authorization to pending receipt. Click on Receive. This action moves you to the item receipt page. Under the Item subtab, select the items that need to be returned. Click on the Save button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the selected items have been successfully saved on the item receipt. Click on Return Authorization to verify the status, which should now be Pending Refund. Click on Refund. This will redirect us to the Credit Memo page. A credit memo decreases the amount a customer owes. Fill in the required fields, such as location. Click on the Save button. The credit memo will be saved, but the status may still indicate Open and Pending Approval on the Return Authorization page. Click on Refund again. It navigates us to Customer Refund page. Under the Refund Method subtab, choose our preferred refund method. For this example, select Check. Click on the Save button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the refund transaction has been successfully saved. The status on the Return Authorization page should now change to Refunded. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage return authorizations and process refunds in NetSuite, ensuring accurate updates to inventory and financial records. Thank you for watching our video on creating return authorizations in NetSuite with SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us via email given below, call us at the number below, or visit our website to connect with our chatbot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business management tips.